Today we're going to look at the download and installation of a Lite version of a plugin, and we need to go to Plugins, Add New, Upload. I've saved this on my desktop, so we'll browse to the desktop. WP Notifier Lite, and I'm going to upload the zip file to install this. Goes through, unpacks package, installs the plugin, and advises you that it's installed successfully. Activate plugin, and you can see a new menu has appeared on the left called WP Pop Notifier Lite, and you can see we can go ahead and add a notice, or you can do add notice from here. Enter title, content type, text, event, news, profile, contact, video, product, and add. Give it a title, and you can type your content here in a full WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get editor. You can choose some styles. There are some general options, which are window width, shadow, smooth, medium or strong, border radius, small, medium or large, and then there are header options, header height, background color, foreground color, font size, font family, border, icons, icon close, icon toggle, and content box options, content height, background color, font size, small, medium or large, font family, and border. You can determine from the appearance of the notification until loss, notification in seconds. You can enable appear in scrolling, position, right top, right bottom, left top, left bottom, and you can enable close link, which will be a little X on the box. You can enable toggle link, content display, audio, hidden for a non-member, mobile support, and cookie expire. Now if we go to a post, let's just open the last one posted. You can see there is a new section called a WP Pop Notifier, and you can add notifications from here, or if there were already some notifiers, you can add them by selecting them here. There's also a new icon for WP Pop Notification, and you can give your button a title, design, from several available, and then add the button wherever you want in your post or page. We'll go through in more depth what each of these do in future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.